I take it that's the jet. But that's strange looking. And then the vapor trail just stopped. That's what we got left.